In the world of high-stakes content creation, audio isn't just a part of the video. It is the heartbeat of your production. If you've ever wondered why the biggest creators seem to have that crisp, cinematic presence, it's not just the camera, it's the invisible engineering they're wearing. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on a device that is currently causing a massive stir in the industry. We are talking about the latest developments, the pricing reality, and the burning rumors surrounding the DJI Mic Mini M3. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This device isn't just a microphone. It's a potential paradigm shift for those of us who value professional sound without the bulk of traditional gear. When we talk about the DJI Mic Mini M3, we aren't just discussing another accessory. We are looking at the evolution of how we capture human voice in an increasingly noisy, fast-paced world. The rumors swirling around the DJI Mic Mini M3 have reached a fever pitch. If you're a creator, you know that the market is currently flooded with audio solutions, but DJI has a track record of setting the bar, then moving it entirely. This upcoming iteration is whispered to be the missing link for creators who have struggled with the trade-off between portability and performance. Think about the last time you were on a shoot. How much time did you waste on gain staging? Or worse, how many times did you lose a perfect take because of a clipping issue or an interference spike? The buzz around this specific model suggests that DJI is targeting these exact friction points with an almost obsessive level of engineering. Let's be clear about why this matters. We live in an era where good enough audio is no longer enough to keep an audience engaged. Retention metrics across major platforms show that viewers will forgive a lower quality video image much faster than they will forgive poor, thin, or distracting audio. That's why the DJI Mic Mini M3 is being positioned as a heavy-hitting tool in a lightweight frame. It is the promise of studio-grade fidelity that fits in the palm of your hand, or more accurately, hides under your shirt. But what about the price? The speculation here is as wild as the features list. With the current market landscape in 2026, pricing isn't just about cost. It's about accessibility versus exclusivity. If the DJI Mic Mini M3 drops at a premium price point, it signals that DJI is gunning for the high-end production market. However, if it hits that sweet spot for mid-tier creators, it could effectively monopolize the vlogging space overnight. We are analyzing the cost-to-value ratio, examining leaked internal documents, and predicting how this will reshape your shopping list for the second half of this year. Think about your own workflow. Whether you're shooting a documentary, a high-octane tech review, or a simple travel vlog, the weight of your gear matters. The DJI Mic Mini M3 is rumored to take the mini philosophy to its logical extreme. We're hearing reports of a chassis design that is nearly invisible, combined with a signal transmission capability that defies its small physical footprint. In a world where we are constantly downsizing our camera rigs to run-and-gun setups, having a microphone that doesn't just keep up, but actually leads the charge and reliability is the holy grail. Why are people so obsessed with this? Because it represents the democratization of professional sound. For years, you needed a boom operator, a mixer, and a sound engineer to get radio-quality audio. Today, with devices like the evolving Mic series, that power is sliding into the pockets of everyday creators. The DJI Mic Mini M3 aims to bridge that final gap. We're talking about advanced AI noise suppression that can distinguish between a gust of wind and a human voice, all processed in real time. This isn't just marketing fluff. In the competitive landscape of 2026, this level of processing is the new baseline for top-tier content. As we dive deeper into the technical specifications that have leaked, it becomes clear that DJI is listening to its user base. They've seen the complaints about battery life in compact units. They've heard the frustration over connectivity dropouts in crowded urban environments. Every rumor we've dissected points to a total redesign of the internal antenna architecture and a power immense system that could leave competitors scrambling. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Mic Mini M3 isn't just an upgrade. It's a necessary retirement for your current setup. Imagine being able to walk into a bustling city street, hit record, and have audio that sounds like you're inside an isolated, soundproof booth. That is the promise. But beyond the tech, there's the philosophy of the creator ecosystem. DJI isn't just building a mic. They're building a bridge between their cameras, their drones, and your audio. The integration features are expected to be seamless, meaning your workflow will no longer be about managing your gear, but about creating with it. This is the shift from a tool-heavy mindset to a content-first mindset. The market in the United States is particularly aggressive regarding audio tech. Creators here demand features that can handle 32-bit float recording, robust signal-to-noise ratios, and seamless multi-device compatibility. The DJI Mic Mini M3 is clearly being engineered with the US market's high expectations in mind. We've analyzed the competition, and frankly, the gap is widening. If you're waiting for a sign to upgrade, or if you've been hesitant to invest in a new wireless system, the data suggests that holding off for this release could be the smartest financial decision you make this year. Let's talk about the user experience. Many of the leaked schematics for the DJI Mic Mini M3 show a revised magnetic attachment system. We've all dealt with those frustrating clips that snap or lose tension. The move toward a more robust, low-profile magnetic solution suggests a focus on longevity. This is gear designed to be used, abused, and worn every single day. It's the daily driver approach to professional audio. We also have to discuss the software side. With the DJI Mic Mini M3, the integration with mobile apps and editing software is rumored to be deeper than ever. Imagine a world where your microphone's gain settings, noise cancellation intensity, and even voice profile presets are all controlled directly from your phone or your camera interface. That's the level of control we are expecting. It's about taking the guesswork out of the process so you can focus on the story.